Hey family, so we're out today. We took the RV out to the RV park and we're hooked up to all the services and gonna give you a phase one run through. Okay, last video I showed you the basic setup. We have the cab area right here, the curtains I made. Angel's up in her bedroom. Say hello. She has her TV on, so she has her privacy up there. She actually slept down here on the sleeper sofa last night. Was the sleeper sofa comfortable? Yes? Okay, good. So if anybody ever comes by, they can sleep on the sleeper sofa. Do have some blankets back there. Here's another storage setup. This is the one that I said is a nightstand and I had not put together yet, so it is perfect right where it's at. These are little side tables that we can pull over to like that to eat dinner. And even in this position, I still have access to the drawers down here. Haven't been able to get the seat belts out. Can't find the right tool for it. I thought I had the big enough lug nuts to take it off. We'll figure that out. That'll be another project another day. Pantry's all done. Stocked up with food. Most of this stuff will just stay in here. I have it double bagged to keep bugs out, and everything is in plastic containers so nothing is out open. And I will even put these probably in Ziploc bags to make sure there's no, or I'll wipe them down just to make sure there's nothing sticky or no residue or anything like that on them. So that's the pantry. Fridge is fully working. It's nice and cold on the inside. It just took about 6 hours because it hadn't been turned on in so long. But the fridge is up. Everything in here is cold. Freezer, everything is freezing. So I know it's a lot of. See, we're only here till tomorrow. We just did a two-nighter. So bathroom. All right. So here's the water situation. When I hooked up to the water at the park, there was a slight leak underneath and the water was coming down. I have somebody coming out to the RV park tomorrow to take a look at it and figure out what's going on. So the workaround is I just got some gallons of water so we can brush our teeth, wash our face. Here's the bedroom setup and my TV here. So we're all pretty much set up in the bedroom, clothes and stuff like that. And more storage over here, nothing really going on in there, and blankets are up there. Okay, so let's go in the bathroom. Here's the bathroom setup. We can flush the toilet, just use some water after we go, flush the toilet. And to take a shower, we just go to the clubhouse and take the showers. We've been to this RV resort before, so I wasn't overly worried about it. The RV park is very, very clean, so we have no problem using it. We've used it before, so but we can only do number one, not doing number two in here. All right, and again, so here's the fireplace is in. I cheated a little bit. I took the one out of my house because it was already put together and I was just tired of building stuff, and just brought it over here. Did get the blue carpet on there, so that looks much better than that plywood and brown carpet that was there. The seat belts that were there are still there. Everything is just on top of it. Everything is secured down. This is not going anywhere. This is not going anywhere. This is not going anywhere. So everything is secured. Haven't secured the couch yet. I will have to secure that. Probably do that today after dinner. Speaking of dinner, we're getting ready to cook some turkey burgers. Ooh, cut that open. So we have all the gases working. I cooked breakfast, some sausage, eggs, and tater tots in the air fryer. Made my coffee this morning. And so I'm gonna do for dinner, then I make grilled cheese for lunch. So for dinner, I'm gonna make some turkey burgers, some mashed potatoes, and some corn. So we are fully up and operational. Only issue we have is that leak, and we'll get somebody to come out to look at it. Hopefully it's an easy fix. It's something that's not too expensive, but I did budget to have something major fixed on here because for the price, I knew something was wrong with it. Just couldn't figure out what it was because I bought it as is. So we know now it's the leak that's underneath. Now, again, there's a workaround. I have a gallon of water right here, and then I have a spigot so I can turn water on, turn it off. So, and there's water at the sink in the bathroom, water for the toilet, and then we can use the main facilities to take a shower. So it's not a major issue for me. Because in my pop-up, we didn't have a toilet and a shower in the pop-up, so we had to go to the main facility there. We did have water, we just didn't have a pop-up. But I've watched enough YouTube videos to show that people who boondock, they come up with their own sources of water and how to figure it out. And I have several gallons of water in the RV storage to store it underneath, so I'm not worried about running out of water. And then we're at the park, so I can always fill that back up with water if I need it to be. So it's not a concern. The biggest thing is that, yes, I would like to take a hot shower inside, but it's not a deal breaker. So this will be home. Anytime we want to get on the road, we will pull her out and we will be enjoying the RV life minus full functioning running water, but we're going to fix on that. So, all right. So this is it. Bye.